Hello. Now, are you getting my voice? Okay. Now clear? Right. Now say this again. What I told you this is the characteristic equation R square minus C over R and C2 equal to 0. If you solve this, you will get two solutions. If this two solution R1 equal to 2 and R2 equal to 3. If the solution is मुख्तलिफ, यानी मुख्तलिफ रकम हकीकी, different real numbers, different रकम हकीकी, then how to write solution? General solution. You will write general solution like that. General solution like that. A n equal to capital R1 power n plus B, capital B R2 power n. R1 means this 2 and R2 means 3. Okay? This way you will write general solution. Right? Okay. I will solve now. Just you understand here. If solution is मुख्तलिफ, R1 is two numbers. If you solve this, if R1 is two numbers, मुख्तलिफ numbers, different रकम हकीकी, then you will write general solution this way. Just you remember this. You will write this way. n equal to A R1 power n plus B R2 power n. Now look, sometimes two solution is same, like 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. R1 is 4, R2 is 4. R1 is kamsa, R2 is kamsa. It means equal rakam hakiki. If R1 and R2 is same, maafi mukhtalif. Then how to write general solution? In general solution, you will write like that. An equal to capital A plus NB. This way, and here. Solution same, yani R1 and R2 same. Here you will write R1 power n. Let me write here. Sometimes suppose this. If solution is this, R is 3 3. Same. If 3 3 same, maafi mukhtalif. And how to write general solution? General solution you will write this way. N equal to A plus N this one. And here you will write this 3 3. Same 3 3 yani 3 here. Same power n. You will write this way. This is general solution. Right? Here mukhtalif 2 and 3. You will write this way. A R1 power n plus B R2 power n. And if same, then you will write this way. Okay? Just you have to remember this. Right? Right. Now come to sometimes solution hal maafi rakam hakiki, maybe complex number. If this number 3, see this. Solution is complex number like that. This alpha plus minus beta I. This way solution. How to write general solution? General solution you will write this way. An equal to alpha here maujood, alpha power n. And here you will write A cosine B plus B, A cosine B plus B sin B. Right? Alpha cosine A, sorry, A cosine alpha. Here A power alpha, here alpha cosine beta plus A cosine beta and plus B here, B sin beta. This way you will write solution. Okay. Now let me start the question, and it will be clear. Let me solve one question and then it will be clear for you. See the question here. Question is this example. What is the solution of the recurrence relation? You have this recurrence relation. This one example I am going to solve. What is the solution of the recurrence relation? This one, an equal to an minus 1 plus 2, an minus 2. Okay, with a0 equal to 2 and a1 equal to 7. Okay. How to solve this? Look over here. Let me start from here. Recurrence relation is this: a n minus 1 and plus 2 a n minus 2. This is the recurrence relation. And here two conditions. One condition is this. It's modules here. A cipher equal to 2 and here a1 equal to 7. Like this. Then you have to solve this recurrence relation. Okay. Can you tell me what is the degree of this recurrence relation? Can you tell me about degree of this recurrence relation? Muhammad Al-Hussain, 2, degree 2. Any other? Muhammad Nasir, Al-Wahid. What is the degree of this recurrence relation? Degree 0. See, degree how to define? See, this is recurrence relation. An equal to this, to here. Here आखिर मौजूद what? This number is what? Problem? Okay. Leave it. I will explain again. The problem in connection. So I will explain again this. Okay, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Wahid. Okay, I will explain again this. Right? Due to problem today, connection. There is problem in connection today. Okay. So I will explain again this. Okay, from the beginning. Right? From the beginning, I will explain it. Right? Just look over here. Let me explain how to explain what is the degree. Leave it this here. If any recurrence relation equal to like that. See, this is a recurrence relation. Recurrence relation is like that. N equal to C1 an minus 1, C2 an minus 2, C3 an minus 3. Okay, and plus and so on. Cn Ck an minus k. If any recurrence relation is like that, this is the recurrence relation. Look. If any recurrence relation is like that, here, see this, here C1, C2, C3 up to this Ck. These are rakam hakiki, are real numbers. Real numbers. Okay. No problem. If any recurrence relation is like that, an yusawi C1 an minus 1 plus c2 a suffix n minus 2 a suffix n minus 2 plus c3 a n minus 3 ck a n minus k. Up to here, no problem. Salman. Okay. Now look, how to decide the degree. See here, the last one. Here last. Last rakam ki is what? This one here. Ada. K. Degree decide from here. This K yani degree K. CK is K yani degree K. This is a degree K. It's okay or not? Okay. Now look this. Recurrence relation I write here. An equal to C. A n minus 1. What is the degree of this? What is the degree of this recurrence relation? Tell me. How to decide? See here. Here. C1. C1 here 1. 1 means this is degree 1. So degree 1. Now look here. Recurrence relation is this. An equal to C1 an minus 1 plus C2 an minus 2. What is degree of this? Tell me. Here, this 2, this C2, this is degree 2. The recurrence relation is this. N equal to C1 an minus 1 plus C2 n minus 2 plus C3 n minus 3. What is degree of this? Degree of this? 3. Now I think you understand how to decide degree. Abdullah. Bigger number, yes. That is the degree. Okay. Here you decide from here. C3, 3, yani 3 here degree. Here 2, 2 degree. Here 1, so 1 degree. Right? Okay. Now tell me. What is degree here? Here. What is degree here? Here come degree. 2. Yes, 2. Now you understand how to decide degree. Now this is degree. Right? Now how to solve this? If you know this is degree 2, and if degree 2, then how to solve? Look here. Just remember. If this equal to, I have written this example. N equal to this. I will not solve this today, but I will tell you how to write an equal to an minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2. An minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2. What is the degree of this? Tell me. This is degree 2, right? Degree 2, no problem. Yes. Let's see the solution, how to solve. Number 1, you will write the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation. And how to write? The characteristic equation is, you will write this way. Serious. This is degree 2, so start from here. This an right, r tarbiya, r power 2. Degree 2 yani start from here, r power 2. It is equal to what? What? It is equal to this series an minus 1. Here tarbiya, so here wahid power less, small. Here r, right? And then it's plus here. Here modude 2. 2. And this an minus 2 come. Here tarbiya, here r power 1. And here an minus 2 come, r power 0. Series. The problem here, an, this an change, this change, a r tarbiya, an minus 1 r, an minus 2 r power 0. See, tarbiya wahid 0 this way. an degree 2 yani an r tarbiya, an minus 1 r wahid, an minus 2 r power 0 this way. Can you see this? Yes. Right. After that, what will happen? After that, this will be r tarbiya, and this is r power 1, serious r, yani Talib r, and this plus 2, and this r power 0 come, r power 0 yani wahid, bina bagi bas 2, okay? Here minus 2, and this equal to 0. It's okay? This is called characteristic equation. Other characteristic. Right? Okay. But then characteristic equation is easy. R tarbiya minus r minus equal to 0. And then hal hada. Find r. R yusawi come. If r yusawi two numbers mukhtalif, then how to write general solution? Okay. I will explain it next lecture. Okay. First you understand up to here how to write characteristic equation. Okay. Suppose if here's this example. N equal to 3 n minus 1 plus 5 n minus 2. What is degree here? Tell me. Degree 2. Okay? Degree 2 here. Degree 2. And how to write characteristic equation? Look, degree 2 yani this n right r power 2 and equal to here modude 3. n right like a r power wahid and plus 5. How to write n minus 2? R power 0. This will be r square equal to 3r, r power 1, 3r, and this r power 0 yani wahid. Bagi hina. What is here? R square minus r 3r minus 5 equal to 0. This is called characteristic equation. Okay, now next I will solve it all the time. If degree 2, then this start from here. N tarbiya, n r power wahid, n nakis 2 r power 6, 2 1 0. 0 means 1. This is 1. And this is r tarbiya. This way. Replace this. when you put R after replacing, after tabdil, this is called characteristic equation. Characteristic equation in R. The problem here, now you know how to write characteristic equation. Okay. Next lecture I will tell you how to solve this. After writing characteristic equation, how to solve. Okay. Next lecture I will solve questions. Okay. Here, today you understand the degree of recurrence, and after that how to write characteristic equation, how to replace, how to deal an1, an minus 2. Okay, I will stop here. Thanks for joining today.